Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We have something fun installed for today. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be jumping under the hood of the S2000 and installing some fun noises. Let me go ahead and show you what we've got here. We've got here a brand new K&N short air intake. This is not a true cold air intake, so we're gonna be losing some power, but you know what? Fun VTEC noises. So let me throw up a clip of how the stock intake sounds with some VTEC crossover, and then let's go ahead and jump in and unbox this brand new intake. Okay, let's go ahead and jump in and unbox this bad boy here. Should be pretty straightforward. It's just an intake and some plastic pieces. Oh, and they provide you with instructions, which is really nice. I'll set that aside here. Toss all of this out. Okay, and here's our intake. So we have the elbow that will sit by the throttle body, a couple of couplers, brand new lines, more couplers here, and our filter, and the little air box that our filter will sit in, along with a bunch of clamps and stuff. So this should be pretty straightforward. I'm gonna set you guys down on a time lapse and get to working. This install should be pretty straightforward. We're just gonna remove the intake. I'm pretty sure there are a bunch of videos out there already on installing this intake. I've watched like one myself. I'm gonna set you guys down, put you guys on a time lapse, and then if there's any random things that come up that I think you guys should know about if you guys are installing an intake for your S2000, I'll pause the video and let you guys know what we run into. So without further ado, I'll message you guys down and start this assembly. Okay, the install itself wasn't too bad. Little small things here or there. Hardest part was honestly probably getting like random bolts like this in the heat shield while trying to fish it underneath the heat shield right here. But otherwise, overall, pretty straightforward. They provide most of the hardware. I did end up finding myself missing a couple of, or 1 or 2 bolts really, that's about it. But otherwise, you know, pretty straightforward. So let's go ahead and clean up and then take this car out for a drive so we can hear that induction noise. Catch you guys in the in-car footage. All right, car started. We have some in-car POV noises. I will stay silent for when VTEC kicks in. I've also got a recorder with the microphone attached to the battery. Hopefully that'll capture some of the intake noises. So yeah, so far no check engine light, nothing seems to be leaking. So let's go on for a drive, shall we? Okay, so immediately I don't hear much of a difference below VTEC. Maybe a little bit of induction noise, but I'm not noticing a huge difference right away. So we'll keep letting the car warm up for now, and then once we get out onto the main road, we'll cross into VTEC and see if we can hear that giant crossover. Throttle response immediately right away seems to feel a little bit better, but honestly I feel like that's probably placebo, just because, you know, whenever you install something you want to think to yourself, yes, this is making a big difference. All right, here we go. Much louder VTEC engagement when you hit it. Oh my goodness. That is a noticeably louder VTEC engagement. Downshift, hearing that throttle plate crack open, I heard that induction noise. All right, let's hear VTEC again. I thought VTEC sounded crazy enough with the stock intake. Oh my goodness. This makes it much louder. I wish I could hear it from the outside. But yeah, I'm gonna move the microphone placement from the hood to the inside now. So I'll cut and we'll see you in just a bit. Holy shit, guys, we just got back from that quick drive with this new intake. My fucking god. I thought VTEC was cracked enough already on the stock intake, but this is ridiculous. I can't stay out of VTEC with this. This is just so much fun. It's so cracked. This should be illegal, honestly. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed some of those sounds that installed, didn't really go too in depth with it, but you know, there's plenty of intake installs already. I'm just here showing you guys the progress of this car. If you guys enjoyed the video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. And also check out my Instagram at QMedia for any behind the scenes content and just general fun life stuff if you're into that. So without further ado, I will catch you guys in the next video where we will install one more mod for this car, hopefully soon before the next autocross, and get some clips of that. And so that's gonna end today's video, guys. So peace out and take care. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.